Here is a succulent and gnome collection. There's a lot of different succulents in here. There's this one right here, that one, this one right here, this one, and this one. So a pretty good selection, just a few in this little small pot. Succulents are actually plants related to cacti. They store all their water in their leaves. They require sunlight, but not any hotter than 90 degrees. It probably will scorch them. They don't like it that hot. They also do well indoors with artificial lighting, as long as you provide the right amount of light, and as far as the right time period too. Some succulents even do better indoors under artificial lighting. So that's really no problem to you. Water once a week when indoors. The succulents dry out fast, so the soil, whenever the soil looks dry, then water it. Fertilize with a liquid fertilizer of your choice. A mixture of fishy mullet and kelp has worked for me before, both for outdoor and indoor succulents. So fertilize every couple of weeks if they're outdoors. Some succulents like to hang also, such as donkey tail, burro's tail, little pickles, string hearts, and string of nickels, to mention a few, which I will do a video on hanging succulents later. Gnomes, however, these little guys right here, here's one just maintaining the forest. Here's one that's collecting water and just by the water. Here's one, let me turn it, that is digging for gold. There's a little gold there. And here's one just collecting a pot full of water. So it's not a big display, but it's a cute little display in a very small container, so there's no reason why anybody can't do it. Have fun with it. Now, gnomes in folklore are a species of beings that are described as little old men, just like I just showed you, that inhabit the interior of the earth and act as guardians of its treasures. So that's why you've got that little gold digger right there. So just make your own display. They've got the little ladder to come out of. It's just a cute little display. You can see that the container is not very big. Everything is happening inside, and it turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. Some of the succulents, like that one, has grown a lot faster, but that's okay. And then just take a good look at it. You can make your own display. Like, share, and share it with your friends. Give them an idea, and you can get your own ideas off of this. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know how you feel. Write in the comments below this video. And this is Last Garden Standing, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.